Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to a video clip in Sharefactory on your PlayStation 5. So there's tons of just default music on the PlayStation 5 that you can go ahead and try to use. Otherwise, you could import something from a USB stick. So if you have this plugged in your computer, you can transfer it over to your USB stick. But the first thing you want to do is set it up in a specific folder, just like this. So you have to make a folder called Sharefactory/music. So just go ahead and set it up like that, where it's got to be, let's see, it says, please insert a USB drive into an open USB port in order to load music tracks. Music will be imported from the Sharefactory/music folder. So make sure you have like a Sharefactory folder, and then inside the Sharefactory folder have a music folder. And you should be able to find it when you transfer over audio tracks to it. And then you can come to this section right here, select it on your PlayStation 5, and you should be able to import it over. Now, another thing that you could do is just record directly off your phone with a auxiliary cable. So just open up like YouTube or something like that, and you can record directly off your phone. I'll show you how to do that. So plug the auxiliary cable into your PlayStation 5 controller, and then into your computer or your phone or tablet or something that can record with a 3.5mm headphone jack, and then press X, and then go to add track 2. There's me. And then you can go to record audio. So just start playing the YouTube video on your phone with the auxiliary cable and go to here, and you should be able to just record it directly from your controller. Otherwise, just record it with your speaker on your headset or your controller, and you should be able to get it in there so you can see all my audio from me talking. So you can do that right there. Otherwise, you can just back out and then press X, and then go to add music right here. And here's all the default tracks. Some of these are going to be copyrighted, so if you're trying to upload it to like YouTube or something, just a heads up. So you can pick something out of here. Otherwise, here's import from USB. So if you got your USB plugged into your PS5, you can go and just get it from there. So we can go and add this right here to my timeline. So it looks like I got this. I'm going to go ahead and just start playing this. All right, so you can see the music timeline here on the bottom. And then we can edit this to, here's music volume, just press square on it. So most of the time I fade in or fade out. Then you can move the music back and forth. So trim it where you want it to. Maybe you only want a certain section of this, so you can split the music. So let's delete this here, and then, I don't know, delete some of this at the back too. And then we can move it where we want it. So let's move the music. Boom, put it, I don't know, maybe put it over my Helldiver stuff right here. And yeah, it would sound pretty good. So yeah, sometimes this is copyrighted, and this sounds like polka music. But check that out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.